Okay, so this I kind of introduced in the first problem, but I introduced it when we hadn't gotten rid of the variables yet. Okay, so this is a key concept. This is important to have down if you didn't write it down before. These elementary row operations, you can interchange them. You can multiply one by a number. You can stretch it or shrink it basically, and then you can add two together. So if you see, it says they're termed as elementary because they are simple to do. However, it's easy to make your mistakes, so you need to record each step. So this is what I was doing. You label them row 1, row 2, and row 3, and then at each step you write down what you've done in order to follow to the next piece. You know, it says it's encouraged, but I'm saying you definitely really need to do this because this will help you. If you do make a mistake, you can go back and check your work based on what you did. If you didn't write it down in your 5 steps in, it's going to be hard to see where you went wrong. So make sure to start doing that with your problems, and you'll obviously see me doing the same because even after all these years of me doing it, I still have to do that.